So ayun, hi guys, ito po si Maki. Maki Trip lang, Maki Trip lang. So ang topic natin ngayon guys, no, ito po ay tungkol kay Prudence Screen Reader. So meron na po siyang bagong update. So sa iba na hindi pa na-try itong application, no. So itong si Prudence Screen Reader guys, no, para po itong advanced talkback, kasi yung mga settings niya is parang talkback lang din talaga. Pero syempre, since screen reader po ito, so mas mabilis po siya, no? Like Messenger, Facebook, so mabilis siyang mag-navigate. And syempre guys, available po ito sa Play Store. So pwede po ninyo siyang ma-download sa Play Store. So again guys, no? So i-demo ko na lang. So kung ano ba itong Prudence Screen Reader. So, ayun. So, swipe pa tayo. And madali lang po talaga yung pag-setup sa kanya. Okay? So, swipe pa tayo.
Play Store.
So, pasok tayo ng Play Store.
Play Store. Search Google Play button.
Okay, search lang natin.
Edit box.
P, Papa.
D. S. E. R. R.
R, Romeo.
U. U.
U, Uniform.
D. D.
D, Delta.
R. E. E.
E, Echo.
E. F. F.
N, November.
C. C. C.
C, Charlie.
3. E. E.
E, Echo.
Space. Prudence.
Prudence, then
S. S.
S, Shira.
B. Space. B. C. C.
C, Charlie.
R. R.
R, Romeo.
E. E.
E, Echo.
R. Romeo. E. E.
E, Echo.
F. November. F.
N, November.
Space. Screen.
Okay, screen, then space.
R. R.
R, Romeo.
R. E. E.
E, Echo.
Shift. A. A.
A, Alpha.
D. D.
D, Delta.
E. E.
E, Echo.
R. R.
R, Romeo. Then space natin.
Space. Reader.
Okay, reader.
Delete. Deleted. Space. Search.
Okay, search natin guys.
Keyboard hidden. English. UK. UWERTY. Keyboard
Okay,
hidden.
swipe pa tayo.
Search Google Play button. Play search button. Prudence Screen Reader. Prudence.
So, ito lang po guys, no, yung isa-select nyo or
Navigate
itatap.
button. Search Google Play. More options button. Prudence Screen Reader.
Okay, Prudence Screen Reader.
Uninstall button.
So, i-install nyo lang guys, no? Kung na-install nyo na guys, so syempre i-open. So, i-open natin guys, no? So, again, madali lang po talaga yung pag-setup nito.
Open button.
Okay, open natin.
Allow Prudence Screen Reader to send you notifications.
So, syempre
Don't allow button.
allow natin to.
Allow button.
Tap nyo lang yung allow. So, yun guys, andito po na.
TTS settings.
Andito na po tayo sa loob ng application ni Prudence.
Velocity details. TTS settings.
Okay, TTS settings. So, ito po
Sound and vibration.
yung andito po sa loob.
Notification settings.
Notification,
Customize gestures.
customize,
Customize menus.
customize menu.
Volume shortcut key settings.
Okay, volume,
Time settings.
time settings. So,
Time settings. Volume shortcut key settings.
and guys, i-on natin siya.
Customize menus. Customize notification settings. Sound and vibration. Velocity details. TTS settings. Accessibility settings.
So, pasok lang tayo ng accessibility settings. So, i-on natin si Prudence. Okay, double tap.
Accessibility.
So ngayon guys, no, hanapin nyo lang po si Prudence Screen Reader kasi sa Samsung, andito po siya sa install apps. So again, hanapin nyo lang po kung nasaan siya, no. Okay, so pa tayo.
Search. More options recommended. Talkback. Spoken assistance. Visibility and hearing enhancements. Interaction and dexterity. Advanced settings. Install apps. 2 apps.
Okay, install apps.
Install apps.
Okay,
Install apps.
save pa tayo.
Visual plus off. Prudence Screen Reader off.
So andito po si Prudence. So ngayon, tap natin.
Prudence Screen Reader.
So ganito guys, no, kasi sa akin kasi hindi na siya lumalabas since bago kasi yung device na ginagamit ko, no. Pero dati kasi pag bagong install, so meron siyang parang restrictedly, yung hindi ako nagkakamali, no, or parang restrict. So kung pag na-tap nyo po yun, kung may lumabas po na restrict, so i-tap nyo lang po yung okay, tapos i-home nyo, tapos puntahan nyo po yung application ni Prudence Screen Reader, then double tap to activate. Sorry. I-double tap to long press. Tapos i-tap nyo po yung app info, tapos more options. So i-allow nyo po yung restriction. So yun, i-allow nyo lang. So pag na-allow nyo, no, and then balik po ulit kayo sa accessibility settings, tapos i-tap nyo na po. So ma-on na ninyo si Prudence. Okay?
Prudence Screen Reader. Prudence Screen Reader off. Switch.
So andito po siya. So i-tap na natin to para ma-on.
Allow Prudence screen reader to have full control. Allow
Siyempre,
Prudence screen. Allow button.
i-allow natin.
Check your language settings. Settings. Cancel. Turn on button.
Sa akin kasi guys, hindi na yung lumalabas kay G-Show yung ino-on ko. So, hindi na siya lumalabas kung bagong install. So, ngayon, i-on na natin to.
Prudence screen reader. Screen reader and talkback simultaneously may cause issues with touch
Ayun.
functionality. Prudence screen reader turned on. Talkback off.
So, ayun, naka-on na si Prudence.
Talkback is active. Okay. Button.
So, okay lang natin
Prudence
to.
screen. Back. Reasons.
So,
Button.
i-close all apps ko muna.
Accept. Advanced search. Close all. Home screen. Page 1 of 3. Default page.
So, ngayon guys, no, ito na po si
Weather.
Prudence.
Tab for weather. Search.
So, ngayon
Double tap
guys,
and drag to move. Google search. Button.
since na-on na siya, so yung gagawin nyo guys, no,
App screen. Page 3 of 3.
hanapin nyo lang po yung application ni Prudence.
Page. Search. Prudence screen reader.
So, andito pa si Prudence Screen Reader. So, ngayon guys, ang gagawin nyo, double tap to long press.
Prudence screen search. More. Prudence screen reader.
Okay.
Email. Prudence screen.
So, ayaw.
Search. Prudence screen. 3
Ayun.
quick options for Prudence screen
I-double tap to
reader.
long press lang po ninyo guys, no?
App info.
Tapos,
Button.
itap nyo po itong app info.
Application icon.
So, kasi may permission po dito na i-allow natin. So, ngayon guys, no, hanapin nyo lang po yung permission.
Prudence privacy permissions notifications.
Okay, dito po sa permission.
App permissions.
Okay, so ipo tayo pa kanan. Hanapin nyo lang po yung not allow o yung phone. So, i-allow nyo po yung phone permission. Okay.
More Prudence allowed. Notification not allowed. Phone access in past 24 hours.
So, itong phone.
Not allowed. Phone access in
Phone,
past
okay,
20.
double tap.
Selected. Phone Prudence phone access for this app. Allow. Radio button selected.
So, itab nyo lang po yung allow.
Selected.
Okay, so i-back natin.
Back. Home app more option. Prudence script allowed.
Okay.
Notifications. Phone access in past 24
So, ayun.
hours.
Naka-allow na yung phone.
Not allowed. No permissions denied.
So, okay, no permission denied na siya. So, okay na po ito. So, kailangan nyo lang pong i-allow yung phone. Siyempre, para sigurado pong gagana po talaga ng maayos si Prudence sa inyong mga device. Okay, back natin.
Back. App info.
Ayan.
Force uninstall. Open.
So,
Button.
i-open natin.
Prudent application icon.
So, ayun.
Prudent script accessibility settings.
So,
TTS settings.
dito muna tayo guys sa TTS. Okay?
TTS settings.
So, save po tayo.
TTS rate. Slide bar 50% out of 100.
So,
TTS pitch.
pitch,
TTS pitch.
Pitch.
TTS volume.
volume.
TTS volume. TTS balance. System default system. Radio button selected.
So, andito po guys yung mga text to speech, no? Natin. So, swipe po tayo.
Catherine high definition fluent English female voice.
So,
Radio button selected.
Itong si Catherine guys, no? Ito po yung naka-built-in na text to speech na meron si Prudence Screen Reader. Ito po.
System Catherine high
Catherine.
definition fluent English female voice.
So,
Radio button selected.
Yung iba dito guys, no?
Samsung TTS
So, ito.
speech recognition. ETI vocalized TTS settings.
So, kung ano po yung mga text to speech na naka-install sa inyong device, no? Andito po lahat. So, okay. So, subukan natin to.
Speed Samsung Catherine system Catherine high definition
itong
fluent
Catherine.
English
So,
female
tap natin to.
selected.
Antayin natin.
Samsung Catherine high definition fluent English female voice. Radio button selected.
So, ayun.
Samsung Catherine
So, medyo nag-loading siya ng konti, no?
System
So,
default.
ayun.
Catherine. High
So,
definition fluent English female voice.
So, ito
Radio
po
button
si-
selected.
Si Catherine.
Back
So, i-back
button.
natin.
Prudence screen reader. Prudence accessibility TTS settings.
Okay.
Verbosity details.
So, ngayon dito naman tayo. Okay.
Element description order. Speak usage hints. Switch off.
Ito, wag na po guys, no? Wag na po ninyo itong i-on.
Speak list and
Yun
grid
po
info.
yung
Switch
nagsasabi ng
off.
double tap to activate.
Always speak number of list items. Switch. Speak element type. Switch in. Speak window title. Switch off.
Okay.
Capital letters. Say capital. Switch off.
So, itong capital letter, so, syempre, i-on natin to.
On. Speak element IDs, switch off.
So, hindi, wag na
Speak
po to.
emojis, switch off.
So, itong speech emoji, tama ba?
Speak emojis, speak caller number, switch off. Speak emojis, switch. Media volume.
So, pareho lang talaga siya sa talkback guys, no? Yung pag-navigate, swipe up and down.
TTS volume.
Ito po.
TTS rate. Scroll.
Scroll.
Windows.
Windows.
Paragraph.
Paragraph.
Lines.
Lines.
Words.
Words.
Speak emojis. Switch. Speak emojis.
Speak
Emojis.
emojis. Okay, so yun natin to.
On.
Ayun.
Speak caller number. Switch off.
So, caller number. So, yun natin to.
On. Permission
Okay.
request. Use ringtone volume to announce the incoming call. Switch off.
So, ito, pwede
Screen
rin.
on voice prompt. Use ringtone volume to announce the incoming call. Switch
So,
off.
pwede din itong i-on na lang. Okay, or nakadepende pa sa inyo guys, no? So, i-on natin to.
On.
Okay.
Screen on. Screen off voice prompt. Voice prompt when element description order.
So, yun.
Speak usage hints. Switch
Okay na
off.
po ito.
Back.
I-back natin.
Home. Prudent. Accessibility. TTS setting.
Okay.
Verbose sound and vibration.
Ngayon, dito naman tayo sa sounds and vibration. Okay.
Vibration feedback. Switch in. Sound scheme. Vibration feedback. Switch in.
So, syempre guys, sa vibration, alam naman natin po, no? Lahat po tayo ay alam naman natin kung ano po ito. So, i-off natin to.
Off.
So, yun, para hindi siya na vibrate, no? Okay, so iba tayo.
Audio ducking. Switch off. Sound feed. Audio ducking. Switch
So,
off.
itong audio ducking, so alam naman natin to guys kung ano po ito, no? So, kailangan natin itong i-on. Okay?
On.
So, para habang nag-play po tayo ng music or video, no? Kung may papasok po na notification, so i-announce niya. So, ayun, kusa pong hihina yung mga music or audio. So, kasi bibigyan niya ng daan para basahin na kung ano pong, or para malaman natin kung saan po galing yung mga notification. Okay, so iba tayo.
Sound feedback. Switch in.
So, itong sound feedback, okay na po ito.
Sound feedback volume.
So, ito po, sound feedback volume.
Sound scheme.
So, dito po sa sound scheme, guys, no? Tap natin.
Sound scheme.
So, ayun. Tutut.
Sound scheme. Default sound.
So,
Checked.
ito po yung naka-default, no? So, meron naman
Crisp
dito.
and pleasant sound effect.
Ito po, mga sound
Modern
scheme.
fashion sound. Unchecked. Crisp and pleasant.
subukan natin.
Crisp and pleasant. Vibrate.
Ayun.
Audio. Sound feedback. Sound scheme.
So, itap natin ulit yung sound scheme.
Sound scheme. Default sound.
Ay, default lang.
Default sound.
Okay.
Vibrate. Audio. Sound scheme. Vibration. Audio ducking.
Okay na
Switch.
po.
Sound feedback. Back. Home. Prudence. Accessibility. TT. Verbosity. Sound and notification settings.
So, dito sa notification settings, guys, no? Itap natin. Ano ba meron dito?
Customize reading notifications.
Okay.
Read toast notifications. Switch in.
Okay na po ito.
Read the notifications one by one and queue. Switch off. Read the source of an incoming notification. Switch in.
Okay. So, kailangan po ito is naka-on. Okay na po ito. Wag na po ninyo itong gagalawin. So, syempre, para malaman nyo po kung saan galing yung mga notification, no?
Touch a screen to stop reading notifications. Switch off.
So, itong touch the screen, ito po ata yung, like, for example, mahaba po yung message. Diba?
Touch a screen to stop reading notifications. Switch off.
So, ayun. Ito po siguro yung like for example, mahaba po yung message, 'di ba? Kasi dada ng dada yung ating or dada ng dada si Prudence. So, dapat yung kumbaga i-swipe or i-touch para ihinto po yung pagkuha niya ng mga notification ng message or ng notification kung sobrang mahaba. Okay?
Silence touch a screen to stop reading notifications. Switch off.
So, yun natin to.
On.
Okay?
Silence notifications during a call. Switch in.
Okay?
Notification blacklist.
Okay na po
Silence
ito.
back.
Back na din.
Home. Prudence screen. Verbo sound and Notification. Customized
So, ito
menus.
po.
Customized gestures.
Customized gesture, di ba? Pareho lang po talaga to sa talkback.
Customized menus.
Okay, menu.
Volume shortcut key
Okay,
settings.
volume.
Customized accessibility volume is 60 per 53.
Okay.
Volume shortcut keys. Time settings.
So, itong time settings, meron na siya.
Advanced setting.
Advanced.
Users. Advanced
Okay, dito
settings.
na tayo sa advanced. Ano bang meron dito?
Switch in. Lift finger to activate the system.
Okay na po
Switch
ito.
in. Switch in. Answering and ending calls. Switch off.
Answering ending call.
Use accessibility volume. Switch in.
Okay, use accessibility.
Use the proximity sensor to stop speech. Switch off.
Okay.
Single tap to activate. Switch off.
Okay, single tap to activate. So, di ba?
Remember, single tap to activate. Switch off.
Okay, single tap to activate.
Remember position of the focused item. Switch off.
Okay.
Lift finger to activate the system navigation buttons. Back, home, recent apps. Switch
Okay
off.
na po
Switch
ito.
in. Switch in.
So,
Back.
yung ibang mga settings dito guys, no? So, kayo na lang po siguro yung mag-explore. Okay?
Home. Button.
So, again guys, maganda po itong screen reader. So, again guys, no, mabilis po ito sa Facebook, like Messenger. So, mabilis siya.
Prudence. Home. Home. Tap search. Google search button.
So, yung sa iba nating mga kan guys, no? Yung iba kasi is nahihirapan. So, alam naman natin, no, kung about kay Jisho, minsan mahirap yung pagkuhan ng settings, no? Or so yun. So again, meron na tayong pamimilian, or di ba? Yung kayo naka Jisho, so pwede niyo yung Jisho, si Prudence or Talkback. So kung ayaw nyong gumamit ng Jisho, so kung okay na kayo sa Talkback, so para sa akin guys, mas okay po ito. Kasi mas advanced po kasi siya, no?
Camera search
So,
button.
ayun.
Galaxy Store.
So, ito po si Prudence Screen Reader.
Gallery.
So, again guys, kung gusto ninyo siyang itry, so available po siya sa Play Store. So, ayun. And again, ito po si Maki. Maki Trip lang. So, paki-like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So, ayun. Trip lang, walang basagan ng trip.
Play Store.
Okay, bye-bye!
AZ screen expand tools. Stop.